30-day challenge, day number 20, 30-day challenge, crypto.com. Let's do this. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Yes, it is a Friday, a late Friday, December 10th. We're going to go ahead and make a transaction. And of course, I enjoy looking at this. Grit, determination, and the right amount of crazy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now here in the Coinbase, we're going to do something different. We're actually going to convert some Shiba into crypto.com. So we're going to do a convert. So we're going to convert Shiba into crypto.com. So we're going to get 190 tokens. This is something a little different. And we're going to do this is because I feel good about this move. And so let me go ahead and convert that Shiba to crypto.com. And don't forget, if you don't have a Coinbase account, click on the link below, sign up for your free account. Let's do this right now. So let me go ahead and click on view transaction, and let's just see what the fees are on this, because we haven't did a converting in terms of another token to another one. So it looks like it says this Shiba to this one. It doesn't give me, okay, here it is. It says $109.64. So that seems like that is, but it didn't break down the actually fees on here. So what we're going to do is just put this down here. It's gonna be $109. So the actually, let me see, go back here. Let's go look at the price. So let's take the price here, copy this. So that's going to be, take this here. Now it said $109.64. It doesn't show me exactly what the fee, you know, the breakdown that it normally does. So we're just gonna go ahead and just do this. So we'll just pretend we put in $100. You know what we're gonna do? We'll do the $100 and then let's see, $9.64. I know that's not the case, but I'm just gonna put it on there for now until I figure exactly what the fees will be. So for now, we'll put that down, $109.64. Let me look here. Let me double check. You know what? I'm gonna do 103 for now and take this and put this like, because normally fees are not that much. If you look on here, fees are usually about $3. So let's say this is $3 and let's say this is $6. So let's just try to get as close as possible, right? So $106 in terms of the amount paid, and then the fees $3.64, since it didn't really say that. So let's go and copy this down. Let's do it together. And thank you for being with me on this Friday, and it's day number 20. So let's change that to 20, change this to 10. Then here, take this, buying price is 56 cents. It brings this down to profit. Actually, we in the red, negative $514.33. But we're getting closer to our goal of 3,784. We're getting really close to the goal. We can't wait. The average buying price is 69 cents. Man, we're gonna literally laugh at this a few months from now. I'm just feeling it, especially with all the positive news that's coming out. You know, not financial advice, but next few months, I don't see it being 69 cents in March 10th, 2022. I just don't see it. So we almost to the goal. $60 is the fee, $60.92. Amount paid on crypto.com, $2,584. And amount total pays $2,645. And we're excited to come back again tomorrow. My name is Adam Shelton, and that wraps it up. Day number 20 of the 30-day crypto.com challenge. I'll see you in day number 21 on a Saturday, December 11th. I'll see you later. Click on the link below. Take advantage of the challenge. Look at Coinbase.com. I'll see you later.